Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of September 5th, 2021, Part 2. This week's theme is football. Goodnight, Football by Michael Dahl, illustrated by Christina Forche. It's the end of the week. It's the best of all sights. Beneath the night sky lies a field of bright lights. And the bleachers are full for a very good reason. The big game is tonight. It's football season. The big band plays and the cheerleaders shout, and everyone cheers as the teams run out. The fans are excited. It's time for some fun. Then a whistle, the kickoff, the game has begun. On 3rd and 1, the ball is snapped. But the defense breaks through and the quarterback sacked. He shakes it off and gets up. The crowd shouts, "Hooray!" Then the team huddles up and discusses a play. The quarterback drops back and lets the ball go. It sails through the air. Oh, what a throw! A receiver breaks loose and stands all alone, reaches up, grabs the ball. He's in the end zone! The teams trade possessions. Up and down rolls the score. Then a long run wins the game. Hear the crowds roar! What a game! What a night! Good night, players. You fought a good fight. Good night, coaches, as they shake hands. Good night, cheerleaders. Good night, band. Good night, bleachers. Good night, fans. Good night, field and concession stands. Good night, mascot. We'll come back soon. Good night, Goalpost. Good night, moon. Good night, helmet and my favorite teams. Good night, football. Good night and sweet dreams. The end. So our craft is we're going to make a craft stick goalpost. And your crafted kit will look pretty much like this. You'll have a green piece of construction paper, which we're going to use as the background. I chose green just because football fields are generally green. There's one that's blue, but most of them are green. You'll get 4 craft sticks, and you'll get a football. And what you will need is a glue stick to glue things together, and some markers, crayons, paints, colored pencils, whatever you'd like. And I have a plain piece of paper here to color on. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our goalpost. And to make it, it's going to look like this. We're going to lay it out. But to make it, we need to give it some color first. So you can color it whatever color you want. I'm just going to make mine the traditional yellow. But like I said, go crazy. Give them all different colors, do a rainbow, however you want to do it. But I'm just going to do yellow. Alright, now that I've colored the goalposts, I'm going to go ahead and set those aside, and I'm going to color the football. And again, you can go any color you like, go crazy. I'm just going to do mine the traditional brown and white. Just because I like things to look a little bit like they do in the real world. But of course you can find a Nerf football that'll be any color in the world. So you do it however you want. Be imaginative. So now all the coloring is done. We're gonna make our goalpost. Now this is, I used the big craft stick, so this is going to come off the page. So let's go ahead and start. We'll do the base stick, the goalpost part that goes right into the ground. Oof. So I'm going to just put that right in the center there. And there's a little glue over the edge, but that's okay because it's on the bottom, but you can see the glue stick holds. And we're going to take, this will be the bottom one that goes across. I'm going to center that. Okay, now I got a little glue on the outside, but it should dry clear. And we got to do the uprights. And this is the part that we want the kicker to kick the football through. So we got one. See, it's coming off the page there. We got two. Then we just got to glue the football on, and you can do it how you want. The picture is cute, it shows it like that, but I want my football between the uprights because I want my extra point after touchdown or field goal, whichever way you go. 3 points for a field goal. So we're just gonna do it like that, and it's good. And that's how it works.